Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll tap into the space and softness of our breath to infuse some extra room and ease around physical discomfort. When pain arises, it can feel all-encompassing. As our mind tends to focus on what's wrong, discomfort can leave us feeling cramped in our bodies, with very little room to feel or experience anything else. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Let your spine lengthen without hardening your back. Soften your shoulders. Relax your arms. Rest your hands in your lap. And gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths as you call yourself into the present moment, giving yourself permission to fully arrive into your practice. And now, return to a comfortable breathing pattern. Take easy breaths in and out of your nostrils. Now, direct your attention to your inhales. Notice how your body naturally creates space in your ribs and lungs as they expand to receive the incoming air. Every time you inhale, physical space is created to accommodate your breath. For the next few breaths, stay with this natural roominess that accompanies your inhalations. And as you stay aware of this spacious quality, turn to your exhales now. Watch how your lungs and ribs naturally soften on your out-breath. Your lungs passively contract, and the muscles around your chest spontaneously relax. For the next few breaths, stay with this intuitive sense of ease that comes with your exhalations. And inevitably, your mind will wander off into distractions. When it does, lovingly redirect your attention back to your breath. Let go of any judgments or labels and allow your awareness to return to your spacious inhales and soft exhales. And now, take a moment to feel into your physical body. Notice any areas of discomfort or pain. Observe where you are hardening or straining, where you are gripping or tightening. And as you direct your breath there, bring in space and softness. Use each of your inhalations to create a little room around your experience of discomfort. Let your exhales create some ease there. You're not trying to change what's happening in your body. Instead, think of it as wrapping your discomfort in a little spacious and soft padding, almost like bubble wrap. And now, relax your attention. Our mind is wired to notice what's wrong so that we can respond to it. It's how we've survived as a human species. When we're physically uncomfortable, our experience can feel so intense that there's no room left for anything else. And as our mind focuses on discomfort, it's no wonder that mental, emotional, and physical tension only seem to increase. This can leave us feeling overwhelmed and constricted. If we're lucky, we might ease some bodily discomfort by stretching, moving, or shifting our position. But often, we can't change the situation in which we find ourselves. What we can do, however, is change our relationship to it by tapping into our breath. Inhalations and exhalations are always at our disposal, and they hold such simple yet powerful qualities. So the next time discomfort takes over, breathe into it. Invite the roomy quality of your in-breath and the soft quality of your out-breath to wrap around your experience, infusing whatever you're feeling with just a little space and ease. Now, notice your body in space. Become aware of the room around you. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Continue to breathe into your discomfort, and let's meet back here soon.